Hi everyone, Norman here. Today I want to show you the hitch knot increase but purlwise. As you can see, this is not only a centered increase, it's also super invisible here on the wrong side, here on the reverse stockinette stitch side. Let's show you how to knit that. So you start the hitch knot increase purlwise by purling into the next stitch through the back loop. So you enter here from behind, wrap around counterclockwise and pull through. And now as you drop that stitch off the left needle, see the right leg of that stitch here, one row below. You need to scoop that up. So here, enter from the front and then lift that leg here over to the left needle. And now you slip that knitwise to the right needle, slip it back purlwise to the left needle, and now you can purl that. And there is your hitch knot increase purlwise. Let's do that one more time. So you start by purling the next stitch here through the back loop, and as you drop that stitch off the left needle here, you scoop up the right leg, slip it over knitwise, slip it over purlwise, purl it, and there it is. Let's do that one more time in slow motion. And there it is. This is how you do the hitch knot increase purlwise. Now a couple of rows later, this will be the result. So here is the hitch knot increase, and as you can see, it doesn't have any visible lean. So here are the two purl stitches we created. So it's a centered increase. And on top of that, as you can see, it is also very invisible here on the wrong side. So it is a very lovely increase for reverse stockinette stitch. On the right side, of course, you create these little wraps here. Now, for some patterns, this might be actually a fun ornamental choice where you create almost kind of like a seam or something like that here on the right side, but of course not for every pattern. But here, if it's just about the wrong side here, the reverse stockinette stitch side, this is a very lovely choice.